Hello and welcome to this series of tutorials for beginner on SolidWorks. So when you install SolidWorks, this is the first screen you see, and we have here some quick icons, and here when we expand it we see File, View, Tool, Help. To make your first part, you just simply click on New. Here we see Part, Assembly, Drawing. Part is for drawing just a simple part. Assembly, when you have many parts and you want to assemble them to a final product or something else. Drawing is a 2D presentation for your drawings or parts. You choose part, then OK. And here we see the interface for the SolidWorks. Here we have the tree for drawings parts, and here have tools, and here we have the feature, sketch, evaluate, expert, office products, and we mostly going to use feature and sketch. That's what we are going to learn in these tutorials. So now I am going to change the units which I am going to use in drawing. To do this, we simply choose Tools, Option, and here we can find Document Properties, Units. So I am going to choose millimeter, gram, and second in this tutorial. Then press OK. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the add-ins. SolidWorks come with some add-ins, so you can choose the add-ins according to what you are doing. For example, to get to the add-ins from Tools, Add-ins, and press on it, and here we see a set of tools coming with SolidWorks. For example, we have tools for motion, routing, and many things. So if you want to, for example, choose the SolidWorks simulation, you can just choose it and OK. And then it will appears here. So right now I don't need the simulation, so just I'm going to uncheck this choice to increase the speed of the software. Also, there are other tools. We can just right click on the toolbar here. We have here some tools for drawing. In my second tutorials about surfaces, I choose the surfaces tools, and here it contains many surfaces dealing with the surfaces, but we are not going to deal with surfaces in these beginner tutorials. Something else I'm going to talk, in case there is a problem in the interface or some black shadows or something, we can try to fix it by on the desktop right click Properties and then Setting, Advanced, and here in Troubleshooting we just make the hardware acceleration to none and then press OK. So in next tutorial, I am going to create the first sketch and show you the sketch interface. So see you in the next tutorial.